Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are working on a 2015 Ford Fusion and going to show you a spot to avoid, so to speak, down here in the corner. These are notorious for catching your line and snapping it. There is an overlapping pinch weld right here that will catch your line if you're not careful. So we are going to show you. Take your guard when you get down into this corner here and slide your guard all the way over against the edge of the urethane bead, all the way over. If you don't have a large guard, you can use a small one or some variation thereof. You just want to make sure that you are over the pinch weld and against the glue line here, because we're going to use our U-lock here, because I'm going to be using my other hand, and we are going to cut right up and past this point, like so. You hooked something right there, a little fray. There's our guide pin. So make a quick move here. And that is getting past that pinch weld in the corner. And I will be right back to show you exactly what we are watching out for. All right, see you in a minute. All right, guys, back again. So basically, this is what you're trying to avoid right here, is this overlap. So you have this upper piece overlapping this lower piece, and what will often happen is you can see the glue gets cut real short down here. And if you don't put your guard in here, what can happen is you will actually pull tight to the body and then pull right underneath this and cut through a section of this pinch weld, and usually break your string. I've usually broken my string every time I've hooked this thing, and it doesn't cut very deep, but you really don't want to cut it at all. So basically what you're doing when you're taking your guard here, or whichever guard you're using, and you are making sure that when you push this in here, you are over the pinch weld. So however you get it jammed in here, you just want to make sure you are up above the pinch weld and right up against the glue line. All right, until next time, thanks for watching.